You like it like
Attorney Fox, I was trying to get your client, but he must not be paying attention to me moving him back to the courtroom.
Do you want me to go in the breakout room and tell him to leave?
Yes, please. Oh, there he is. Okay, never mind. All right, go ahead.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Attorney Potts and Mr. Wininski.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Now calling matter of People versus Patrick Wininski. This is ticket number P1253609. Count 1, dirty, obscure, and probably displayed plate. Count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Wisniewski, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Wisniewski, please state your name for the record, sir.
Patrick Wisniewski.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for pretrial. There is an offer before Your Honor that my client enter a responsible plea to count 1 of this matter, understanding that count 2 will be dismissed. I'd like to take advantage of that plea.
Mr. Wininski, is that all right? You want to take advantage of that plea offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to read from the ticket to establish the factual basis, and then I'm going to assess the fine that goes with that particular offense. So on the date of September the 29th of 2021, in the area of Houston, Whittier Avenue and Dickerson Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wininski was in a Subaru vehicle and did have dirty, obscure, or improperly displayed plates. Satisfied, Attorney Potts?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea as charged to count 1 of ticket ending in 3609, dismiss count 2. Sir, the fine for that is $105. You have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Therefore, it will be due on July 28, 2022. Is that enough time, sir?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Have it turned in by then, $105. July 28, 2022. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, attorneys. Soroki.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
Good, and you, I'm gonna start, you talked to 2 folks so far, right? Walton and Williams, Devontae Williams.
Yeah, I didn't, I have an offer on Walton. I haven't spoke to him yet, and I haven't, Williams, I haven't seen an offer on Williams yet.
Okay. All right. Mr. Walton, I'm gonna put you back into the breakout room, okay? Ms. Walton? Okay, I'll put you back in there.
Mr. Soroki, Attorney Soroki, I sent
Yes.
it, so check. I sent it for Williams, so check your email.
Okay, I'll check it right now. Okay, thank you. Breakout room, okay. Okay, now, which breakout room should I join?
Who you gonna talk to first?
I guess Walton.
Okay, Ms. Walton, you gotta join breakout room number 4 so he can come in there and talk to you.
Okay, how do I join back to the break room? Go back to the break room.
You see it asking you to join 3?
Join, no, no.
How about joining 4? Let's say join.
It's a join, let me see. Join 3 or,
Yes,
yeah, join 3.
yes, join 3 if you can. This is breakout room number 3.
Okay, I'll join. She went into let me see here. She goes into 3. Okay, 3. Join. All right, we're ready on Miko Walton, and I can go speak to the other defendant too, or if you can pull her, or you can take her case right now. Yeah. Um, yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna go to speak to Mr. Williams. I'll be back.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Wallace.
Good morning.
Who's your client today?
It's Arnisha Weddington. I don't know if it doesn't look like she's here.
No, she's not. And your
You
connection,
had that on your calendar? My connection is terrible. Oh, I'm sorry.
you said Wellington?
Weddington, Weaphinton.
Yeah, she is on the docket, but she hasn't arrived.
Okay. I haven't received any discovery or anything either, so.
What's your P number?
80922.
Thank you.
Right now.
Mr. Williams, can you put your device on mute, please, until you're called?
He's here for unusual weather.
Okay, I'm ready on Miko Walton and Devontae Williams. Paul Wright, I don't have an offer on him, and he's been waiting in the breakout room for quite some time.
Attorney Rocky, I sent it, check the email.
Let me see if it's let me look here. Okay, one second, I'm sorry. Let me see here. Okay. Well, I just got it. Okay. Um, Okay, thank you. Let me. Um, which one was it? I'm ready.
Did you talk to Mark Williams as well? He somehow ended back up in the general room. That's
Right,
why
I see
asked.
him. Basically, I didn't see an offer on, unless that came in with the last one. I didn't see an offer on Mark Williams. And I would think you could give him what do you call it? Fail to display. Or actually, no, I spoke to Mr. Williams, he plead not guilty, get his license, come back with it.
Oh, he has 12 other matters that are.
You know, Mr. Williams has 12 matters that aren't on the docket. We pulled all of his tickets.
Okay.
We just didn't open up for him. He came out the breakout room though, and I know sometimes they have trouble going back to the breakout room. So I'm gonna bring out everybody else who remained in the breakout room. And
Right.
then we'll put it back in the breakout room after I finish.
Now we'll see what his offer is on all those tickets. I didn't know he had 12 tickets.
I know, we try and pull them off so that they don't have warrants outstanding when they leave the courtroom.
That's fine.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Morning, I'm wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. I'm trying to burn the candle at both ends. I just looked at my text messages that I had with my client that's supposed to be up today, and for some reason I had said I told her September 15th was the next time we were going to be in court. I don't know where that date came from when I texted to her. But I still don't have discovery in any case.
I know, you need to give me the thing,
I
attorney.
did. I
Did
did.
you?
Yes.
Okay, let me look it up.
Attorney, can I have your P number one more time, please? I'm sorry.
It's 80922.
Thank you.
the Keith Reamer case, that's from district court. And I pulled up their name, that's what came up. I don't have it, I need you to resend it. But
I will. I'll resend it. Yeah, I emailed it to you the last time I heard from you. So I'm running downtown actually, and I'll resend it.
Okay, you look at the date they told us. You said September 13th is when you told her?
I told her September 15th. I can't figure out why I gave that date. Why that date is important. But it might have been, I might have had it written next to notes for other cases. I actually have it in my calendar too for some reason. I don't know. I don't know what happened.
All right, we can do it on September the 15th, okay? We don't have to go
Okay.
on the record. Still need the discovery. Send me the discovery order though, so I can sign it.
I will. And we're having a baby shower for my first grandchild this weekend. So I'm going to try to make tomorrow, but I'm just letting you know.
Thank you, and congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Miko Walton?
Yes.
Now calling the, Miss Sandy, you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Miko Walton. This is ticket number P11073002. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for record, ma'am?
Miko Watson.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant, it's time, wait for reading stands mute.
At this time, the court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Yes.
How are we moving forward today, sir?
Ms. Wong wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. She'll be pleading to open alcohol driver reduced to open alcohol passenger, and the other 2 counts will be dismissed.
Is that right, Ms. Watson? That's how you want to move forward today?
I really don't want to plead guilty.
Okay, so you don't have to plead guilty. What you can do is you can either have a bench trial or a jury trial. A bench trial is before myself as a trial finder of facts.
I can't hear you.
A bench trial is before me as a juror. And I will listen to all the facts. The officers will have to be present and take testimony. You will have the opportunity to present witnesses as well. You also have the right to a jury trial. With the jury trial, the same witnesses will be able to be present, only you will have 6 citizens from the city of Detroit who will be there able to listen to your case and make the decision based on the law. How would you like to proceed, Ms. Walton?
I will plead guilty to. I will plead guilty to the passenger.
But you don't have to. If you don't want to, you can have a bench trial.
I would like to do that then. Yes.
Okay. All right. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, Ms. Walton?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walton, you had an opportunity to talk to the attorney as well as myself about your case and about your rights.
yes,
And at this point, you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of October the 28th. You need a sheet of paper so you can write it down?
Wait a minute, 1 second. October 28th.
Yes, ma'am. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay,
Okay, it's gonna be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're gonna zoom in on that day, only at 9 a.m., okay?
now let me ask you this. If I plead guilty for the lesser charge today and it will discharge the no insurance and all of that, how much time will I have to pay the fees? Because I just started a job and that's what I was afraid of.
Well, I give you time to pay the fees. So if you're guilty of it, you can admit guilt. I'll give you enough time to pay the fees. You do know that it comes with points, right? That count?
You said it comes with 2 points.
No, I think it comes with 6.
When I just talked to
I
the
don't
guy,
think the driver comes, or the passenger comes with 6 points. Open alcohol passenger, that might come, I thought it was 2 points. Let me look it up. You know. I can't seem to find it. I used to have all these tickets right on my phone. Um,
Or maybe 2 points.
2 points.
It may be.
how many points for a passenger?
I think it's 2 points.
Let's see here. Get in there. So it's driving with an open container of alcohol is 2 points. So if you're a passenger, it has to be at most 2 points. It can only be at most 2 points.
Okay, I agree with you. I just want to make sure, I think I had heard that high before,
Right.
so it's 2 points. How do you
Okay.
want to say, man?
I would like to plead guilty then for the 2 points for passenger.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walton, did you have an opportunity to talk to the attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No, ma'am.
So why are you pleading guilty?
Because I don't want to go take it to trial, and then what happens, I end up in a way worse situation. I'm a female woman, and I have to work to take care of my family. So
I get it, but now you just said that you aren't guilty, so I can't take a plea just because you want to take a plea. I have to take a plea because you're guilty of whatever offense they're saying that you committed. So let's just have the bench trial on October the 28th, 2022. We'll see if the officer shows up for the bench trial. I can't take a plea just because you want to get it over with. I have to take a plea because you're guilty.
am I guilty of it being mine, or the alcohol being in my vehicle? The alcohol was in my vehicle, but it didn't belong to me. So yes, I am guilty of that.
Was it open?
No.
I'm gonna have to pass your matter. I don't think I can take a plea based on what you just said, so.
You said, was the container open?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Ms. Walton, let me pass over your matter because I feel like I need to explain some things to you and we'll get back to your matter. But let me see if I can at least hit up these other people really quickly and see if they.
I'm sorry, but I have a job interview at 10 o'clock this morning. So I won't be able to stay in the meeting much longer because I'm unemployed.
What's another convenient day for you, Ms. Walton?
What's another convenient day for me? Tomorrow morning.
My doctor's for tomorrow morning. What day is that?
Tomorrow morning, Monday morning. Later today before 2 p.m.
No, I'm gonna find a date for you, ma'am. Now, and it's not your fault. It's just that, I'm not supposed to explain all this stuff to you, and you may need some more like discussion with an attorney, because I'm not allowed to have discussions about laws and how you want to make decisions. And so I'm just gonna find another day for you and have you come back to court that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
18th. Okay, Monday the 18th at 8:30 a.m. Now be prepared to stay on. Usually my Monday dockets are very heavy, so be prepared to be able to wait.
Monday the 18th at what time?
July 18th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, I'll be on the Zoom.
All right, have a great day.
And the same courtroom, will it be the same courtroom 337?
Same courtroom and everything. Courtroom 337. It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. The same way you logged in today. Log in on that day, Ms. Walton, and I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day. Good luck with your interview.
You too, thank you.
Devontae Williams. Unmute yourself for
Yes,
me,
sir.
okay? All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Devontae Williams. This is ticket number B1259031. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, credit counsel.
Yes, Alan Soroki up here on behalf of the defendant, P37441.
Turn off the TV.
That's coming from his side.
No,
Alan.
I said Mr. Williams, Attorney Soroki, I said Mr. Williams.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I did, Your Honor.
What's the noise going on in the background?
That's probably my air conditioner.
Okay.
Judge.
Yes.
Judge, will you repeat the counts starting with count 2?
Okay. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay.
All right. Appearances, Ms. Attorney Soroki already gave us appearance. Appearance for the record, Mr. Soroki.
Alan Soroki, P37441.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Devontae Williams.
This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. How are we moving forward?
Yes, as to the ticket involved in the pretrial, we also have a review up today, but as to the tickets involved, the no insurance misdemeanor, he'll plead to improper plates, accept the offer of the prosecutor. The driving license suspended will be dismissed.
I couldn't hear.
I know.
Well, he's pleading to improper plates in lieu of the no insurance misdemeanor. And the court is dismissing the prosecutor is dismissing driver's license suspended.
You want to take advantage of that offer, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. You froze, Mr. Williams?
You see me?
No.
Can you see me now?
Oh,
Hold on.
okay.
How about now?
I can hear you though, so okay. Is your right hand raised?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone force you or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all this, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 5th, 2021. Were you in the area of West 7 Mile and Pearson Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle at the time you drove it?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Cherokee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 2, and I'm going to dismiss count 1. Sir, last time you were here, you had a case where you were supposed to provide me some paperwork about paying a fine.
I don't remember. Can you refresh my mind, Your Honor?
You have an open case from 2017. You pled no contest to a reduced charge of disorderly conduct, and you were telling me that you took care of everything.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor. When I tried to get in contact with the church, I couldn't get no answer. But I had finished my classes and I had came to court.
So you paid some money. The defendant must attend 2 remaining courses before 6/2/17. And then you didn't show back up. So I have no way to know that you completed any of that. So you gotta do it.
So I gotta finish the 2. I finished my 4 classes.
You
I had
got,
did
you
my
got
community.
if we don't have the trail, if you can't show it to anybody, you didn't do it. And since you didn't come back to court, it says you didn't do it. So it's just open out there. It was open with a warrant. So unless you can provide some type of paperwork, you're gonna have to do everything again.
I don't. Do you know who I can go to provide that? Because I really don't know, because it was a while ago, and
Yes.
I don't know who I can go to and get that information to give to you and show you guys.
Yes, I can give you a number and they can direct you to the people so that you can retake everything. Because right now, the last thing that I have is that I do have that you paid some money. You paid $173, it looks like. But at the last court date you were at for this U ticket, it looks like you didn't provide anything that you needed to provide. No, you did. You provided proof of the test that you needed to take. Looks
Right.
like but it says defendant must attend 2 remaining courses on or before 6/2/2017. Then you must not have showed up for something because it was a fail to appear bond set on June the 5th, 2017. So you paid all your fines. So all your costs and fines are paid, okay?
Okay.
But it says that you still had those 2 classes to take. I don't have the proof. If that's the only thing that it says. It says your costs and fines are paid. It looks like you took your HIV testing But it says still need to complete the class, because I still don't have no class. So how long do you need? I'm gonna give you a number to take down, and then I'm gonna give you plenty of time to take, it's just one class. All I have,
It's just one?
all I see on here is that you need to take, you gotta do 25 hours of community service and the prostitution awareness program.
I did my community service at the church on Grand River Evergreen. I can't think of the name. I think it's Greater Grace.
Okay.
I did my foot. I can go to the church and see, can a lady, you know, vouch for me.
Okay. See if she can give you something. Then that's one less thing. Okay.
Okay.
But I have that you were supposed to complete the class and that you didn't come back, so there's a bench warrant put in. I'm trying to look through and see and make sure, okay?
Okay.
Okay. How much time, I'm gonna give you a phone number. How much time do you think you're gonna need to do that?
What's July? Can you give it to the 14th of August, a month?
Yes, you sure that's gonna be enough time? I can give you more if you need it.
I would take it, please.
All right, I'm gonna give you until October the 10th. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, come back October the 10th. Because until you do it, it's just gonna be out there open. That's why I don't want that to happen to you, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
On the other ticket for the fine, I was gonna assess a fine an amount of $200. How long would that take you to pay that?
Can I just do everything at one time?
Yes.
Okay, that would be cool.
Okay, all right, so I'll do the $200 fine. I'll have that due October the 10th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll get to review that day, 8:30 a.m. Hopefully you can get that community service. Just go back up there, get your community service, see if she'll be able to just say that you actually completed it. And then the class, the phone number you want to call so that you can get the class. You ready?
Yes.
313-879-2155.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, okay? I'll see you back then. Hopefully that gives you plenty of time. That's almost 3 months, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right, Mr. Williams, I just don't, it's just gonna sit out there open until you finish it, so I just need to make sure you finish. You paid your cost on that ticket, so you're all set. You took your test, I see that. We just need you to do that one other thing, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day, sir. Thank you.
You do as well.
All right.
Guess the easy one's Paul Wright.
Okay. Mr. Wright, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. One second. Now calling the matter of people versus Paul Wright. This is ticket number P 1222720, I apologize. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Also calling case number SP 1299361. This is 1 count of improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P 37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Paul Wright.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on these matters. How are we proceeding?
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant waives full reading, stands mute at this time.
Court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. How are we moving forward?
Yes, Mr. Wright wishes himself off the prosecution. He'll be pleading guilty as charged to count 1. The remaining 2 counts and the third and the 4th ticket will be dismissed.
All right, is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 13th, 2021. Were you in the area of Harper and Newport in the city of Detroit driving a GMC vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am, it did.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied.
Your-
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea as charged to count 1, improper plate. Dismiss the remaining 2 counts on that ticket as well as ticket SP 1299361. Mr. Wright, you were going to say something?
No, ma'am. I thought you were still talking to me.
Oh, okay, no problem. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Ma'am, can I pay it? I'm on Social Security, so can I pay it on the 3rd of next month?
Yes, I can give you a little bit of time. I'll give you 60 days just in case, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it.
Also, I see there's an additional ticket that wasn't included in this offer. Ticket number SP, just walk away, 1299362. This is 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Sir, can I have your appearance for the record?
Alan Soroki, P 37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Wright,
Yes, Paul Wright.
thank you.
I'm sorry.
All right, it's okay. This matter was not originally included in this offer. The court is going to, as a part of the memorandum of understanding, dismiss this count as well. So sir, make sure you make that payment because I'm just missing 4 tickets for you today for 1.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm gonna have that due no later than September 14th, 2022. Does that work for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Well, who will I send it to?
So you can either go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it, or you can physically come down to the court and pay it.
Okay,
All right, okay?
thank you.
All right, you're welcome. That concludes this hearing. All right. I'm gonna bring Mr. Williams in and then I'm gonna put him into a breakout room so you can talk to him.
Okay, that's fine.
Mr. Williams, Mark Williams. All right, I'm going to put you into a breakout room so you can talk to the attorney. Please join breakout room number 5.
Okay.
Judge? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I spoke to Mr. Mark Williams. He's going to accept the offer and, we're ready.
Okay.
No problem.
Mr. Williams? Williams?
What's wrong?
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Mark Williams. This is ticket number 497274. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P11677873. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number P11677879. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number 204972731. 1 count expired plate. Ticket number 204972732. 1 count improper dirty obscure plate. Ticket number 204972733. 1 count no receipt of registration. Appearance.
Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Mark Christopher Williams.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Williams on the ticket that's up for hearing today waits for formal reading, stands mute. And as to any of the other tickets, if he wasn't arraigned, which I believe he has been on these other matters. And Mr. Williams wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter. He would be pleading to P11677873, counts 1 and count 2 as blockade, reduced charge blockading. Ticket SP 7047391 would be reduced to speeding 40 and a 30. And then ticket number 204 972 741, that ticket will be reduced to improper plate. So actually, Mr. Williams, there's 4 tickets here instead of 3, I see, you'll be pleading guilty to. And they'll be dismissing the remaining 9 tickets. Do you want to take that offer?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, you work nights?
I couldn't hear you.
I said, do you work nights? Midnight.
No, I'm diabetic.
That's what I'm asking.
I'm diabetic and I haven't eaten today yet.
You want to take advantage of the offer that's been presented today?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Regarding those matters, though, right?
Right, just regarding these matters that are before the court today.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
John, did you, hold on a minute. I'm sorry, you have a lot of tickets, so I'm trying to figure out all the ones that I have and all the ones that I.
Okay.
All right. Back on the record. Adding back to the matters. Now calling case number SP 7047391. One count speeding 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Case number SP 7047401. You need to get some food, Mr. Williams. I'm away.
I'm away.
Keep going in and out. Mr. Williams, you need to go get some food real quick. You got some food in your house?
Yes, I'm awake, Your Honor.
No, you're not. Mr. Williams, listen to me. I'm telling you, I'm not going to proceed until you go get some food so that you can be fully awake and stop like leaning over and passing out on us.
Okay. So what should I do, Your Honor?
Put yourself on mute, set the phone down, go find something to eat very quickly so that you can at least have something to chew on and come back in 5 minutes after you do such.
Okay.
So to eat something else.
Thank you.
Hi, John.
It's on my head probably. Hi, Miss Sandy. How you doing? Sorry, we were muted.
Oh, no, that's okay, John. I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. Okay. Talk to you later.
All right.
Hello, Miss Taylor.
Hi, good morning. I'm having a lot of difficulty trying to get into a Zoom hearing. I've been to 3 courtrooms. I've had 3 Zoom links. They've given me a number.
Is your last name Taylor?
Yes,
Your
I'm
last name.
Taylor, Taylor. First name is Tracy.
Okay, well, I know that you're not in the right courtroom here, so we'll try to find the courtroom that you should be in.
Okay.
Stacy or Mary, can you help her out? I'm not in the room where the list is. Are you M. Taylor also? Oh, no. Okay.
Could you repeat that, please?
Her name is Tracy Taylor. Can you tell her what courtroom she should be in? Is it a traffic case, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
437, Judge Sherman. 437. So the same way you zoomed in here, do 360-437-0000.
I went in there and they said that I'm not in the right room. And then they gave me 360-218-0000. And that's not valid. It's not allowing me to go into the virtual.
What's the case number, ma'am, that you have? Do you have a case number?
Yes, it's SP-127-4282. I think it should be 0I.
Okay, you said SP 127-42821.
No, it's SP-127-64282.
Tracy Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're actually scheduled for a pre-hearing at 10 o'clock. Well, it was scheduled for 10 o'clock. Court 200.
Yeah, I have that, but it don't have, I tried several ways to get into the courtroom 200. It's not allowing me to get in. So I've went to several courtrooms. They've given me links, but it's not working. And I've been trying to get on since 9:30. And then they gave me a number to a courtroom, and that's some type of training number. This is not very informative.
Hold on one second. Okay, ma'am.
Hi, yes.
Okay, so try this Zoom. Did you try 360-218-0000?
Yes, I've tried that several times. I've tried 360-0200. I tried that. I tried 360-437-0000. That's not it.
Give your phone number. 313.
918-5167.
Ma'am, listen. 313.
9. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, I thought you asked for my number. 313-965.
3176.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Williams, you feel better?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Clerk, thank you. Now, what's Claire doing? That was my book.
Don't do that. All right, you look a little better. God bless. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Mark Williams. This matter was already called on the docket. We took a brief moment out to make sure that everything was okay. Mr. Williams, you look a lot better, so I feel a lot more comfortable with proceeding now, okay? Oh, unmute yourself, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Appearances once again for the record, please, Attorney Soroki.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right, sir, state your name once again, Mr. Williams.
Mark Christopher Williams.
All right. All right, so Mr. Williams, it's my understanding you want to take advantage of this offer today and plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, I think I'm just gonna swear you in again, just to make sure. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Soroki in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial, bench, or jury in the future on these matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you want to move forward, Mr. Williams?
I do.
Okay. We're looking at drawing your attention back to the date of October the 9th of 2020, were you at that time driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Brush and Monroe Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, it was.
All right. And then the other remaining tickets are all civil infractions, so I'll read them from the tickets themselves. That on the date of February the 22nd of 2021, in the area of Greenfield and West McNichols in the city of Detroit, Mr. Williams was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did have expired plates and was unable to provide registration, or the registration was unsigned. Also, on the date of July 1st, 2016, in the area of Wyoming and Grove in the city of Detroit, Mr. Williams was driving a Jeep vehicle and did exceed the speed limit, doing 10 miles over. Satisfied, Attorney Taroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to issue 3 responsible pleas that have been amended. On ticket P11678773, counts 1 and 2 are to be amended to blockading. On ticket number SP 7047391, that's going to be 40 in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. And the last ticket 204972741, count 1, the improper plate, the driving while license suspended is to be amended to improper plate. Third, the fine for blockading is $175 a piece. The speeding ticket is $135. Okay, so that's $485. Typically, on civil infractions, you only have 14 days to be able to pay those costs and fines. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Is there any way while we're here that I can go ahead and maybe request a little more time? But I should be, I'm gonna aim to try to take care of that immediately.
Do you need 30 or 40 days, or, sorry, 30 days, or do you need more than 30 days?
I'd say 30 and try to get that taken care of immediately.
Okay, sir, I'll give you 30, I know that's a lot, it's $485. Okay, you may have some reinstatement fees that aren't included in this. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines on your last ticket though, so you're only gonna pay for 3 tickets. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines on your last ticket. And I'll give you until, no problem, August 15th, 2022 to have that paid, okay? August 15th.
August 15th. Okay, thank you.
That be enough time, Mr. Williams?
Yes, it should be, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Make sure you take care of yourself, Mr. Williams.
Okay, thanks again, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, I think that's it. That concludes this morning's docket.
All right, have a good day, everybody. See you later. Thanks.
All right. Jackson, you okay today? I haven't spoken to you in a couple of days.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna have your assignment for you next week, okay? Just keep monitoring and watching, and when you have questions, let us know. You have any questions you need to ask right now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right, we'll get on it for next week, okay?
All right.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Sandy.
Oh, she's, okay. Yeah. She's gotta work another courtroom?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask her if there's something, huh?
I'm gonna call you later on.
Oh, okay.